Hello all, this is Dr. Shilpi Reddy and I am today with a very happy news that the vaccine for COVID-19 for age group 12 and above has officially released. Zydus Cadilla group has announced today that it has got emergency approval for the vaccine to be given above 12-year age group, and the permission is for emergency use. And it is very good news because we would be the world's first vaccine that we are releasing officially above 12 years age group, and it is called ZyCov-D, and it's one of the latest technology vaccines. It is a DNA based vaccine, the DNA plasmid component vaccine that has been approved for emergency use in children above 12 years, and it's a real good news. And the doses of vaccine are 0, the first dose, and second dose on the 28th day, and the third dose on the 56th day. So it's a 3-dose vaccine. 3 dose because they want to give an extended cover, and even 2 doses are good enough giving protection against COVID. But then 3 doses are for giving good amount of moderate protection that it is required. And also it is about 66 to 67% efficient against COVID virus, and also about 100% efficient against severe COVID infections. So it's very important that this vaccine has to be given to prevent severe COVID infections. And one important thing that I would like to tell you about this vaccine is this vaccine was studied in about 28,000 people, and out of that 1,000 were children about 12 years plus, and the results have been extremely good. And especially this vaccine was studied when the Delta and Delta plus strains were going on. So definitely this vaccine would have beneficial effect on the Delta plus strain also. So that is also good news for now. And then it has got absolutely very few side effects, like mild fever and the injection site pain and body pains, or a little bit of headache and all these things. Other than that, no major side effects have been noted. And another very interesting thing is this vaccine is given by the plasma jet technology, which is an intradermal injection that is under the skin, and it is not an intramuscular injection. So potentially any other effects of intramuscular injections like pain and swelling and tenderness, all these things would not be there with this plasma jet technology, which it's an intradermal plasma jet technology with no needle. So unlikely to give any painful problems, because it's been administered to children, so acceptancy is very good. And also there is a plunger and a spray that enters into the intradermal area. The local pain is absolutely very less, and this technology gives even more encouraging things for children's per se. And this vaccine is for anybody and everybody above 12 years of age, including the adult population. And now currently we have whole virus vaccine by Bharat Biotech, the protein subunit vaccine, the Novavax, which is yet to be released, yet to be approved in the market. They are also coming up for the age group of children. And the viral vector vaccines like the one for AstraZeneca and Serum, and the Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is not yet approved in India. And we have messenger RNA vaccine of Pfizer and Moderna that are available. Now, the Zydus Cadilla group has announced that about 10 million per month doses is their capacity to roll out. And once the vaccine order is placed by the government or the government authorities, they would start rolling out the vaccine from October onwards. So that's good news. And we would again see children back to schools once the vaccination is done. And India's drug regulator authority has definitely, approved this drug, is what the Zydus Cadilla group are saying. And there are other two vaccines in pipeline. The Novavax, which is not yet approved, but their research is, I think, completed, and they submitted the reports. And Johnson & Johnson is yet to start the clinical trials in children. And this is good news. Definitely good news, because we were looking forward for vaccine coming into the market for children. Now that 12 plus age group children have approval by the drug regulatory authority of India, definitely we can look forward for them hitting school as soon as possible with safety. And also this vaccine the efficacy of this vaccine is also proved, because of the last wave that we had. The second wave was purely about Delta and Delta plus strains, and enough subjects were they were studied, and the vaccine results are out. And now that the Delta strain is causing tremendous problem, not only for children, I wanted to add a note for pregnant women also in this video, because it is really important that pregnant women, current given scenario, women undergoing fertility treatments, pregnant women and post-delivered women, as soon as possible have their COVID vaccination. They can take either Covaxin or Covishield or whatever that is available at the nearest of their places, because it's important to get vaccinated and get that safety, get into the safety bracket. And vaccination is the only way that we can prevent ourselves from dreadful COVID infections currently. And it's about all about safety. And in my clinic also, we're giving lots and lots of pregnant women vaccination. They haven't had any kind of a side effect as of now. And also I am recommending, including the government of India, organizations like Foxy are recommending COVID vaccinations. It is as per the norms of government of India, the health ministry, and the Indian gynecological associations and societies are recommending COVID vaccination, especially for people who are planning pregnancy, people who are first trimester, second trimester, third trimester, and also lactating mothers. So it is very important, as a part and parcel of this message, to take it that the vaccine is available, and you have to get vaccinated to come into the safety bracket. And now that good news is there, that the Zydus Cadilla group has announced the ZyCov-D vaccine with DCGI approval. Definitely looking forward for vaccination to begin as soon as possible in the age group of 12 plus. And even for adults, we've got other vaccines available, and now another vaccine that is available for adults also. So this is good news, and do get vaccinated. And if you're going for your regular antenatal visits, you can get the vaccine along with your flu vaccine, along with tetanus, along with your Boostrix vaccine, that the diphtheria and tetanus combination vaccine. You can get it done along with your iron injections, if any. You can get it done along with your other antenatal checkups and your anti-D injections. So any visit that you are going to the hospital, you can get the vaccine done at that time simultaneously. No need to wait for another day, no need to wait for another visit. So for pregnant and lactating mothers, do get the vaccine as soon as possible. There is no need to wait, and there are absolutely very less side effects. For any pain relief and fever, you can take a paracetamol if you need. And then the safety bracket has to be established, and the more number of people who come under the umbrella of vaccination, the lesser there would be the chances of getting the third wave. So it is very important, and a take-home message. It's good news for about 12 years, and it's a mandatory vaccine for pregnant and lactating mothers. Thank you, and I'll keep you updated again.